No, babes, need to. I'm on. Those man no deal. Why they hurt me like this? I want to what I go knock.
2, 1, 4.
I package yourself well, also. Find out what's up now. Oh, you wo. I want Sunday break. I've been short time.
I never called you.
Come on, me. So now go. Just they talk anyhow. I can't listen. Come on for you. So I go do you well, oh. Why no? She not sabi BJ.
Get in the car.
Sam, stay there.
Please.
Alasaka. You know
Where are we going?
maybe fake.
Ricky's estate. Get in the car.
Okay.
Me, I gotta
Sir,
go.
your money is 100,000 naira, sir.
Can you get in the car already?
I gotta check us well, oh. Okay, no go enjoy how. See fresh baby, they carry this nonsense.
This is slim, babe.
Try be like overripe pawpaw. And babes, how far? We place we go change location. You don't cast, though.
I don't tire.
I tell you, I don't cast. Okay. Motor even say no, even original motor. Nonsense. Carton. Where?
Freshen up and make sure you do that quickly.
Sir,
What? And do that quickly, please. What are you still doing in the bathroom? Huh? I'm not paying you to come here to waste my time. So please hurry up.
sir, protection. Sir.
What's it with all this, sir? I'm not your father. Why? What is it?
Please, can we talk first?
What do you mean, can we talk? What are you talking about? Am I your business partner? Am I your friend? Do I look like a friend?
Oh, I've not done this before.
What are you talking about? What do you mean you've not done this before?
I'm still a virgin.
Reached out with trembling hands, hoping you would understand. But you turned and walked away. left me in the dark of day, too broken to love, too heavy to hold. You closed your heart, left mine in the cold. Silent tears fall, but you'll never know. I gave you my all, and you let it go. I tried to speak, but words were small. You didn't see my heart at all. Lonely rooms and empty nights carry echoes of goodbye. Too broken to love, too heavy to hold. You closed your heart, left mine in the cold. Silent tears fall, but you'll never know. I gave you my all, and you let it go. Maybe someday you will see the love I kept inside of me. But tonight the silence grows, and my heart still bleeds alone. Too broken to love, too heavy to hold. You closed your heart, left mine in the cold. Silent tears fall, but you'll never know. I gave you my all, and you let it go. I reached out with trembling hands, hoping you would understand. But you turned and walked away, left me in the dark of day, too broken to love, too heavy to hold. You closed your heart, left mine in the cold. Silent tears fall, but you'll never know. I gave you my all, and you let it go. I tried to speak, but words were small. You didn't see my heart at all. Lonely rooms and empty nights carry echoes of goodbye. Too broken to love, too heavy to hold. You closed your heart, left mine.
Where are you coming from?
I went out to look for money.
Look for money. Where?
Sister, Lagos is a big place. There are a lot of people that are looking for people to do jobs everywhere.
Naija, I might be blind, but I am not stupid. Or may I remind you that I was not born blind? So I know this city very well. I am sure it's not 8 a.m. yet. So where are you coming from? Because you did not sleep in this house last night.
I'm going to make breakfast. You need to take your drugs.
I am not done talking to you, Aisha. I am still your older sister, and I pay the bills in this house. So when I ask you questions, you answer them. Where are you coming from? Where did you sneak out to last night? Aisha?
I went to Allen Avenue.
You went to where? Huh? You went to where?
Sister.
Aisha.
Sister. Ah! Yeah. Sister, wait. I'm sorry. Sister, I'm sorry now.
You went to where?
Your condition is getting worse. The doctor said if we don't do this surgery on time, you might lose your chances of seeing again.
How dare you? You went to Allen to sell your body? Huh? Did I send you? Aisha, did I send you? Huh? Do you know the damage that could cost you as a woman in the future? Do you know? Are you aware? Huh? You went to Allen to sell your body for money?
Sister, I didn't do it. I couldn't do it. I'm sorry. Or I'll only cheat again. No.
Aisha, have I not been raising you well?
What is it? I'm sorry. I said I didn't do it. I promise. I'll not do it again. I won't do it again. Please.
Look at me. Are you looking at me?
I'm looking at you.
Look, I would rather go blind forever than watch you sell your body to help me. Do you understand me? So please.
I'm sorry now. Please. Please. I said I didn't do it. I didn't do anything. Please. No. Please.
Aisha.
Please, I'll not do it again. I promise I won't do it again.
Everything is intact. I mean, she cleaned the entire house. She didn't even take anything. What are you doing in my house?
Babe, please listen to me.
Gloria, get out of my house.
Baby, please let me explain, please.
You want to explain, right? I'm listening. Explain.
Thank you, babe. Babe, you know I'm not a freak for lovemaking, right? You know you taught me everything I know. You made me love it, babe. And all of a sudden, you didn't have my time anymore. Okay, ask yourself. Since you started working at the company, where else did you touch me? I'm sorry.
So because I haven't touched you in a while, you decided to touch someone else. In my house.
It wasn't planned, babe. I promise it was not planned. I promise you.
How many times have you cheated on me?
Once. Actually, that was the first and last time. I ordered pizza and he delivered it.
Hey, hold on, let me get something straight. Are you trying to tell me that the man I caught you with, that was a delivery guy?
Babe, I'm sorry.
You were shagging a delivery guy in my own house?
I'm sorry, babe. Baby, you know I love you too much. You're everything to me, babe. One year together, babe. 1 whole year. Do you want to throw away everything because of one mistake? I promise it won't happen again, babe. Please. Please, babe. Babe, please. Babe, please.
Aisha, what are we eating tonight? Aisha? Aisha?
Sister,
What is bothering you?
you and your surgery.
I've told you to stop worrying about me. It is not in your place to worry for me.
You see, you make it look like I'm a child and I can't help. But sister, I am a graduate. I must worry about you.
Yes, you're a graduate. And that is why you should worry about yourself and how to get a job. That reminds me, you said you wanted to train for website development? Have you gotten someone to train you?
Sister, please don't digress.
I am not digressing. Listen, the money for the surgery would come.
How? Where is he going to come from if all we do is wake and sit here all day? Sister, we are already running out of foodstuffs. The landlord came last week to come and remind us about our due rent.
I'll sort everything. I promise you.
Tired of hearing that. I'm tired of hearing that.
Hey, Basi. Baby's home. Why?
Hello, who are you?
I should be asking you that question. Who are you and what are you doing here?
If you ask me that question one more time, I'll throw you out of this place. Are you stupid?
Call me stupid one more time and I'll show you who I am. You ugly looking moron.
Have you seen me? It is you and your entire generation that is ugly. You fool.
Call me for one more time and I'll make you regret the day you were born.
Fool.
Come on! Stop that. What was the problem? Eh? Hey, man, I don't understand. When did you come back?
Long enough to know that you keep a tout in the house.
It's your mother that is a tout.
Excuse me. Watch your mouth. That's my sister you're talking to.
I want this thing out of this house.
MM, calm down. Calm down.
I'm not coming down. I want her out.
I'm your older brother. Let me handle this. Okay, please. Seriously.
She's your sister?
MM, why didn't you call me to tell me that you were coming into the country?
When has it become a crime to surprise one sibling?
I never said it was a crime. At least you should have given me a heads up. I would have come to the airport to pick you. I mean, there's so much insecurity in this country.
Is that your reason? Or you just needed time to hide your rude girlfriend?
Gloria isn't always like that, okay? You probably met her at a bad time.
Is she? A woman that goes about fighting another woman because of a man.
You were fighting her too.
You're not even defending her.
I'm not defending her. Why do you always have to twist everything I say? Besides, your program wasn't even supposed to end till the middle of this year. Why did you come back?
You want me to go back?
You're still twisting everything I'm trying to say. Okay? I'm just asking you a question.
You're not asking a question. You're making a statement.
My God. Okay. All right. My sweet little sister. Hey, don't be like that now, eh? You were coming into the country. You should have called your older brother at least. So that I'll come pick you at the airport. Huh?
Well, if you may know, I was tired. I miss It's been like 2 years.
Okay. I know you must be really exhausted, sister, so I got this drink while I prepare something delicious for you.
Well, I might be a lady, but I don't do soft drinks. Thank you.
Hey. Hi. We meet again.
Who are you?
Oh, I'm Basima. Your friend here knows me. Well, I wanted to say thank you for the other day. I messed up a lot and I'm glad you were there to help.
Bro, I don't know you. I think you have the wrong person. Sister, please let's go.
Is the car here now?
The car is...
Look, I'm sorry. I'm not always like that, okay? I mean, I was just going through a lot and my head was just messed up. I wanted to say thank you for cleaning the house and everything you did. I mean, you don't have to be like this to me, okay? I could drop you girls off.
No.
Aisha, you met him that night at Elling?
Sister,
You met him that night at Elling? I thought you said you didn't do it.
Sister,
Actually, she didn't do anything. She didn't even take a penny from me. Okay, just let me drop you girls off. I mean no harm, I promise. Please.
Aisha, is it with a car?
Yes, just parked down there.
Uje. Uje.
Okay.
It's okay.
I see the shadows in your eyes, a heart that's learning to survive. But even broken wings can fly if we just try, if we just try. Give me a chance to begin, to heal the scars deep within. I'm not here to take, but to give, a reason to hope, a reason to live. The past has left its heavy mark, but there's a light inside the dark. If you let me walk with you, there's nothing we can make it through. Give me a chance to begin, to heal the scars deep within. I'm not here to take, but to give, a reason to hope, a reason to live.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Here, you can have this.
What is that?
Nothing, just a little thing for you to buy yourself whatever it is you want.
No. That won't be necessary, sir. You've done more than enough.
No, I insist.
I insist too. Thank you so much. Aisha, let's go inside.
Aisha, maybe some other time I could come by and say hello. Okay, I'll take your silence as a yes. All right, take care. I'll see you guys.
Yeah, bye. Thank you.
Yeah.
Is he gone? Hey, you come. Did you follow him to his house that night? Huh? Answer me!
I nodded my head.
So how am I supposed to know that you nodded your head? Huh?
Yes, I followed him, but nothing happened.
Aisha, don't do this thing again. Don't do it.
I won't.
He seemed like a nice person, though.
Nice people don't patronize prostitutes.
Yes, doctor. Yes, I think I've thrown up at least 3 times in the last 2 weeks. Come on, doctor, you know how much I hate the hospital. Can you probably just bring your stuff over to the office, or I could send you a sample of my urine? I don't know. Anything but just not to come to the hospital. Yes. Uh-huh. Yes, I understand.
All right, thank you, doctor.
Babe, what is it?
Look, babe, I'm just tired, okay? I've had a really long day at work today.
That's fine. Can you see that?
Babe, I said I'm tired, okay? Please.
But I want you.
I said I'm tired.
Babe,
I have a headache.
babe, but I'm honey. Feel it.
I said I'm tired.
Babe.
Just complain about being tired and you're just disturbing me.
Why aren't you just looking? Relationship issue?
I'm fine.
You're a terrible liar, you know. Even a dumb person will know that you're not fine. What is it?
No, it's just that I've been battling some thoughts over a week now.
What is that? Are you sick?
No, I'm not. I'm not sick. Last week I go home to meet.
To meet who?
To meet Gloria and another man in my bed.
Wait, what? You're kidding, right? I knew it. I knew the moment I saw that ugly thing that she was nothing to write home about. Wait, if you cut her pants down with another man, what then is she doing here?
I mean, she...
No. Don't tell me she begged you and you forgave her.
She said she was sorry and that she wasn't going to do it again. You know, ever since then, I haven't, touched her or let alone look at her.
That girl will be laughing at you. She'll call you weakling.
Why would she do that? I'm not a weakling.
Well, any man who catches a woman cheat and still keeps her is considered a weakling. At least that's what we know. Real men don't keep women that cheat on them because she knows when you forgive once, you forgive again and she'll go back to do it. No man should put up with a cheating woman for any reason. I mean, it will mess with your mental health. And anytime you want to sleep with her, you keep seeing the man's face.
Exactly, yeah. That's what's been bothering me for a while now. I mean, I can't seem to get the image of her being on top of him and doing all of those things.
Oh no, she was on top. That is even worse. It causes depression faster than anything in this world.
Ogalon, I beg, just give us more time. I go pay you your money. I beg.
Madam, now that one no one here. What you talk now, what you go make me vex? Nobody get time for this country again, no. Me self, I no get time. But because of your condition, I make you stay here for 1 month, 1 full month. I never receive my money. See, I get family to feed it. I get family. And, I never hear them. I don't marry 4th wife. Still counting, I go still marry another one. I beg, Mona, give me my money before I throw Natis come out for this house.
Lord, I beg, eh? Me and you still dey talk decent thing. No, say na because of this my condition, eh? I don't pay you your money since now. I don't ever owe you.
If no be the condition, but if no be the condition, since I don't throw na things outside. I don't get person wey ready. Nah. If I call him, I call him.
No, I beg.
He go pay the money. So I dey give una now till weekend. Bring my money, or I go pursue una come out. Go add that tenant inside. All of una go dey inside.
Oga, please now. Please. Just give us more time. We'll sort it out.
Now till weekend. Now wait till I give una be that. When I give my money.
A weekend?
I need change my wife. Think so. My new wife, I'm...
Oga landlord, I beg, eh? Small time. I beg. Just small time. Hey, he don't come out.
He has gone.
Huh.
Hi.
Hi. Aisha. Where is he?
It's Bassy.
Oh. Welcome.
I'm sorry about all of that.
It's fine.
I've got boys' quarters at my house. I don't know if you guys would love to move in.
Thank you, sir, but I don't think we'll be needing that. We are just fine here, sir.
Oh, come on. We both know you're not fine. We just heard what the landlord said. And it's just a few days before the weekend.
Like I said, we'll be fine.
All right. If you're not going to move in to my house, I could help pay for the rent. How much is it?
It's 200K.
No. I don't think you have to.
All right. Here, I got this for you.
Thank you.
Yeah. We'll see you girls tomorrow.
Sister, I think she's a walking stick.
It's not called a walking stick. It's a white skin.
Sean is white skin again.
The stick for the blind is called a white skin.
Hey, it's very fine. Tick. Pick it out. It can feel, it even feels different.
And it's lighter.
It's very nice.
May Allah bless him.
Lamia.
I reached out with trembling hands, hoping you would understand. But you turned and walked away, left me in the dark of day, too broken to love, too heavy to hold. You closed your heart, left mine in the cold. Silent tears fall, but you'll never know. I gave you my all, and you let it go. I tried to speak, but words were small.
Where's Gloria?
You didn't see my
Your cheating girlfriend is in the kitchen.
Welcome.
Listen, look, I know I said I've forgiven you, okay, but the truth is I can't forget, okay, and I can't do this anymore.
That's the spirit.
Listen, just hear me out. I can't get the thought of everything that happened. I mean, you being on top of him, and it's just messing with my mind, okay? Please, I just can't, and you need to live with it.
What are you trying to say, babe?
He's saying he should leave. Leave his life and leave this house.
You don't talk to me like that.
Don't.
That's my brother.
Don't talk to my sister that way. You know how I get when I'm angry, right? And I do not want to get on that level with you. So please, Gloria, go upstairs, pack your things, and get the heck out of my house. We're done! Get out of my house, now.
Let's go. Go upstairs, gather your things, and leave. Go, go, go.
I see the shadows in your eyes, a heart that's learning to survive. But even broken wings can fly if we just try, if we just try. Give me a chance to begin, to heal the scars deep within. I'm not here to take, but to give a reason to hope.
That's how real men turn their back on cheating women. Yes, my brother is not a weakling. You cannot talk with him like that. Go. Get out! Get out. Go.
But there's a light inside the dark. If you let me walk with you, there's nothing we can make it through. Give me a chance to begin, to heal the scars deep within.
Hello, babe. How are you? I've been hanging around since yesterday, hoping to see you. What's up? I missed you.
It's like you're crazy.
I told you he's a nice person.
Because he bought you a walking stick. Sorry, white skin.
Haba. But I already said that before he got this white skin.
Well, I still maintain with the fact that nice men don't patronize prostitutes.
And you know that whoever that saw you that night at Ali would equally judge you this way?
Huh?
You said, huh?
Star, I'm not a prostitute. You know why? Because I went there and I didn't even do anything.
Okay. And did you ask yourself if he had a genuine reason being there that night? Or why he did not force himself on you even when you refused to sleep with him? Okay. How many men who patronize those girls go back to them showing concern afterwards? Huh?
Listen, sis. I don't care who he is. All I'm concerned about right now is your surgery and making sure you see again.
Allah will perfect everything. He would restore my sight. All we need to do is to trust in him.
I wish I can share your faith. So is this how you're going to be carrying your walking stick every time? Drop it now.
Drop what? I might as well go out this night to get something from Amina.
Hope you don't think because you have white skin now you'll be going out alone.
What's that now?
I'm just telling you.
Give me a chance to begin, to heal the scars deep within.
What are you thinking about? Don't tell me you're thinking about getting back with that chick.
No, actually, I'm thinking of someone else.
Who?
A friend. Her sister's blind and, I want to help.
How?
Well, I heard them talking about, a certain amount of money to undergo a surgery to restore her sister's sight. And I want to sponsor it.
Okay, how much?
15 million.
15 million? Okay. Amen. Calm down. I'm calm. So, how much do they have that you want to support them with?
I said sponsor, not support.
You want to give them 15 million naira, all for waste?
How is that a waste? I want to help.
It is a waste. It is a waste.
I'm only trying to help her sister restore her sight.
What is your relationship with this person?
Like I said, she's just a friend.
What kind of friend?
Look, you know what? I guess it was just a bad idea to share this with you.
Basi, what do you mean? 15 million naira? Come on, do you know what I will do with 15 million? Ha, this guy. How can you dash someone 15 million naira? What happens to me? I can buy something very good for myself. I can buy hair, buy clothes. What's this one? For someone you don't know? I don't think you're normal. I don't think you're okay.
See that car? Follow that car. Don't worry, I'll pay you extra for it. Just follow that car.
She was coming home from work one afternoon when they attacked her and poured a lot of sand in her eyes.
Oh my God, and how did they do that?
The lady said my sister was having an affair with her husband, but that wasn't the case at all. My sister made it clear to him that she would never date a married man, but he kept insisting and disturbing her.
That's very evil of her to do. I mean, if she had grievances, why didn't she just take it out on her husband?
So I took her to various eye clinics, and they all said the same thing. She's going to need a surgery to take out all the sand from her eyes.
Yeah, I overheard her saying something about the surgery, that they had picked you up. Look, I'm really sorry, okay? I'm sorry for everything you've been through. And if you let me, I would love to sponsor the surgery.
Sir?
Yeah, I haven't really done anything significant for anyone in my life. Basically, it's been just about myself and my sister. You said the surgery would cost 15 million. And turns out I can afford it, so why not?
Sir, you don't know what you're about to do for us, sir.
It's okay. And I told you about this, sir. Not sir. I have a name. My name is Basi. Okay? It's totally fine. Okay? Alright, I have to leave now. We'll catch up.
Hey! Hello? Excuse me.
Hello?
So you are the goat that is after my man?
Sorry, excuse me, who are you?
I am the woman whose man you're after.
Which man?
Bassi. Yes, Bassi is my fiance. And yes, I know what you're doing.
Please, Ma, I'm not doing anything. There's nothing going on between me and your husband.
Better, because the next time I'll see you, I'll bait you with acid. Ask about me, I don't dish out empty threats. This place smells.
Aisha. Aisha,
Yes, sister.
I thought I heard a lady's voice. Who's she? Aisha.
It was Bassi's fiancé.
What? I don't ever want to see him here again. Kinjini?
He just offered to pay for your surgery.
I don't care. Let him shove it down his throat. We don't need it.
Where's your car?
It's parked outside. I need to get something. I'm stepping out.
Okay.
Yeah.
What are you doing here? Please excuse me, I'm not here for you. Babes, why would you... Excuse me! Why would you want to leave me for that hungry-looking Muslim girl?
What are you talking about?
I followed you to her place earlier. Yes, I did. How would you even want to leave me for that thing? She's nothing compared to me. She's a Muslim and she can't even ride you like I do.
Oh, she's very shameless.
Who is this?
Get out of my house, Gloria.
Bassi, you can't be with no one else except me. At least I made sure of that. I'm sure that girl will not come anywhere close to you again.
Oh, what do you mean by that? What did you do?
What every desperate lady would do. Excuse me.
What does she mean by that?
I think you should check up on your friends.
Gloria. Aisha. Aisha. Zainab. Aisha. Zainab. Zainab.
What are you doing?
Zainab, it's me, Bassi.
And that is why I'm asking you what you're doing here.
Bro, I think Glory came here and did some damage.
No, she didn't. Because she actually saved my sister from sharing in my fate. So you have a serious relationship and yet you come here?
No, Zainab, I can explain. I'm not in any serious relationship.
Lies!
She's so shameless.
Of course. What would I expect from a man? Listen, I want you to stay very far away from my sister. Are you listening to me? I don't want any problems, please. My sister and I were fine, perfectly fine, before you showed up. And don't forget to go back to your fiancée and tell her that you're done here.
Fiancé? Was that what Gloria told you?
Yes. And she threatened to bath my sister with acid if she ever sees her with you again.
Oh my God, Mary, please just help me talk to her.
Okay, so listen to me. My name is and I'm Bassi's younger sister. His only family member. That lady that came here is not his fiancée. They dated a while ago and she cheated on him with another man. So he ended things with her.
Yes, that's very true, Zainab. The night I picked picked up Aisha was when it happened. I mean, I was just so angry. I wanted to be with someone else. Look, the lady that came here to threaten you, it means nothing to me. I promise. Okay, please.
Please.
Please, Zainab. Yeah, I've paid for the surgery and everything is set. So your surgery date is slated for the day after tomorrow.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Basi.
You're welcome.
Why are you doing all this? I'm a lady and I know men do not do things for free. So, what do you want in return?
Zainab, I don't want anything in return. I just did it because I felt it was the right thing to do. You know, all my life, I really haven't done anything for anyone. And I've never had anything to do with a prostitute. Yeah, so meeting Aisha that night and taking her to the house, trying to clear my head and all of that, I started to wonder why nothing happened. I sat down thinking of why I saw the both of you a week after I picked her by the roadside. And it just dawned on me, and I feel like some way, somehow, I was meant to help you.
So you want nothing in return?
Yes, Zainab, but I don't want anything in return. But I do have a confession to make. And this is not concerning any of what we're saying, but I have feelings for Aisha. Yeah, you don't have to feel the same way, okay? It's just been heavy on me, and I just wanted to let you know you don't have to feel the same way. And definitely I'm not doing all of this because of how I feel about her.
Once again, what are you doing here? Huh? Respect yourself and leave here now. This is not your father's house where you barge in anyhow.
If you talk to me one more time, I'm going to see
You do nothing. Absolutely nothing. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Going to fight a little girl who is friends with your man. A man that you cheated on. In his own home.
I'm not here to banter us with a girl who still lives under her brother's roof. Excuse me.
Don't do that. Don't do that. You're so disgraceful. It is because of women like you that men thinks women can keep their legs to themselves and give it just to one man.
I won't stand here and let you insult me. Leave my way.
You're not doing that.
Excuse me.
Leave here now.
What are you doing here? Gloria, wait. So you had the guts and the temerity to step your foot in this house after everything you've done? And how dare you threaten Aisha? Are you mad?
I was just protecting what is mine.
Protecting what? What the hell is yours? The only thing you deserve are delivery boys in Lagos.
Jesus.
Listen, I'm going to say this once. I'll say it now and once. If I ever see you, ever close to this house or anybody I care about, I promise you I'm going to lock you up. I'm going to forget that you ever existed. Here.
Get out.
Get out! Get out of my house, come.
What's he?
What's she doing here?
I don't know.
You're still up?
Yeah. So the surgery is tomorrow.
Yes.
And you paid for everything?
Mm-hmm. I did.
Why are you doing this?
Because I think it's the right thing to do.
Okay. I see. Good night.
Good night.
Tomorrow is the day.
Yes. Let's pray to Allah is a success.
Don't worry, sister. It's going to be successful.
He said he likes you, but you've not said anything.
I don't know. He's a nice person. But
I agree with you.
yes.
But look, Aisha, I know Basi has been helpful for the last couple of weeks, and he's about to help me get my sights back. But it's okay not to force this whole thing on yourself. If you don't like him, if you don't feel anything for him, it's okay not to try hard. But if you also like him and see a future with him, then go on.
Sister, who is talking about future here? He only said he likes me and that's all.
So what's the difference? I'm just saying, you're no longer a child.
Listen, all I'm concerned about right now is the success of your surgery and you getting your eyesight back. Every other thing can come afterwards.
Inshallah.
In the silence of the night, tears are falling, hearts collide. Broken pieces start to mend. Love can't heal, love won't end. I'm never letting go. Through the fire, through the storm, even when the shadows grow, I'll hold your hand, keep you warm, forever by your side. I know I'm never letting go.
Thank you so much, Basi. You are Allah's revelation in my life, and I shall forever be grateful. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay. I'll be inside.
Are you doing anything tomorrow?
I don't know. Why?
Well, I was thinking of cooking for you.
You cook?
Yes, very well.
And where do you want to cook for me? In your place?
I mean, I don't mean any harm. If you're not comfortable with it, then it's fine. I just wanted a little peace and quiet with you.
I just hope I wouldn't spend the rest of the day inside the toilets afterwards.
What? No, I'm a very good cook. Why don't I prove that to you?
Okay.
Tomorrow? So, do you want me to come pick you up?
I know the way to your house.
Okay. Fine by me. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, tomorrow.
Okay.
And you're not going to purge? Okay.
Okay.
Every scar
Yeah, come in.
is told our tale. Still together. Love prevails.
Wow.
I'm never letting
You're right on time.
Is something wrong with that?
Not really. But then it's not girl-like. I mean, women know you women as people who like to take their time. Please sit.
You must have had a lot of experiences with a lot of women to have come to that conclusion.
Well, not really. But, I mean, no, not really.
I can see you're actually cooking yourself.
I mean, I told you I was going to cook for us, didn't I? But I'm actually not done yet. Why? Because I spent a little more time at the mall, but soon enough, the meal will be ready.
Okay, take your time.
What do I get you while you wait?
A glass of juice will be fine.
A glass of juice it is. At your service. I'll be right back.
through the fire, through the storm. Even when the shadows grow, I'll hold your hand, keep you warm, forever by your side. I know I'm never letting go. When the world says we can't, we will rise, we'll take a stand. Your heart beats
Nope, you're not supposed to be here.
Why? I got tired waiting in the parlor and I just wanted to check if you're actually cooking.
Well, you're here and you can see that I'm actually cooking, so please, you have to go back and actually sit and wait. Nope.
So what you cook?
Nope, you cannot. Look at that. I'm really, really busy, so you have to go.
Please, let me just
Sit
watch
down.
you cook.
Sit down, wait for me to cook and serve us, okay?
I can help you.
You don't need to help. No, you do not. No, don't worry. Just don't worry. I can handle it. You there? No. I'll wait. Okay? Just wait for me till I'm done. Okay? Stay.
Wounds may cut, but hope survives. Faith can bring the dark to light. Every scar is told our tale. Still together, love prevails. Never letting go.
You know, if I didn't see you preparing this in the kitchen yourself, I'd have argued you bought it from a nice restaurant.
Is that supposed to be your Obasi? You're such an amazing cook. Speech, like you said.
Don't be too full of yourself.
Come on, I'm just asking for my flowers.
Ladies like to take their time. And as someone who knows a lot about ladies, you should know that.
Ouch. Low jab.
Anyways, the flowers you asked for. The food is really nice. I'd say you tried. I mean, Better than a lot of women out there. That's right.
A lot of women. Does that include you?
Don't kid yourself. You can't compare.
I see. Looks to me like you're enjoying it.
Through the fire, through the storm, even when the shadows grow, I'll hold your hand, keep you warm, forever by your side. I know.
Here we go.
Thank you, but I don't take alcohol.
Oh yeah, of course, but I know you're Muslim and all of that, but this is non-alcoholic.
There's no alcohol inside.
None at all.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
Welcome.
What of your sister?
Oh, I don't know. I haven't seen her since I got back.
Okay.
Sorry. How about you? How are your parents?
They're late.
Hard luck.
It's okay. They passed when I was very little. Zainab has been my mom and my dad since then.
Oh, wow. Well, I must say she has been doing an amazing job.
You know, right?
Yeah.
You know, even when she couldn't see, she wouldn't let me do anything for her. And the night we met, the next morning when I got back, she was so furious. She started throwing things around the room, thinking she'll hit me.
How did she even expect to see you?
I don't know.
Well, I guess now that she's feeling a lot better and she can see, she can return to being your parent.
Absolutely.
So what about you? Do you have any plans? What do you plan on doing from now?
I want to train. I want to train for website development.
Website development, that's brilliant. I hope you know that I'm here for you. When did you get back?
Good afternoon. I think I need to go now.
Oh, okay. Let me get my car keys.
No, please. I'll just go. I can find my way. Don't worry.
No, I insist. Okay, let me get the car keys. Let me get that.
Welcome.
So I guess I'll see you tomorrow.
I don't know.
Aisha, what is it?
It's your sister. I don't think she likes me.
Oh, don't say that. I mean, that's for you. She's usually like that with everyone. Okay? Don't worry. The both of you will become good friends the moment she's open with you. Okay? Oh.
Good evening, Rasi.
Good evening, Zainab. Well, I can see that you're up and about already.
It's very important. I have so many catching up to do.
I'll be leaving now.
Cool, I'm not chasing.
No, not at all. I was actually on my way. I just decided to drop Aisha. Yeah.
All right, good night.
Good, okay. No, Ash.
Good night.
Yeah, good night.
Aisha, what is it?
Nothing. Welcome.
I thought you said you were only helping her because that was the right thing to do.
Yes, I did.
It doesn't seem to me like that. Or are you having something with that Muslim girl?
What if I'm having something with that Muslim girl?
How can you even ask me that, Basi? Everything is wrong.
Everything like what?
We are Christians. They are Muslims. We shouldn't be together.
Okay, and does being a Christian make you any better than they are?
Religious doctrines, we are worlds apart.
Look, anyone who listens to you talk about religious beliefs now would actually think that you're a religious person. I mean, you haven't been to church in the longest. And I can bet anything that the only time you pray is when you need something from God.
It doesn't change anything.
Yes, exactly. My point exactly. It doesn't change anything. Just like how your so-called religious beliefs cannot change how I feel about Aisha. I've developed feelings for her. Yes, and I don't care if she's Muslim, Buddhist, pagan, or Hindu. Okay? I waited till after the surgery before I tell you this because I didn't want you or Zainab to think that was the reason I did everything I did. Aisha, I love you, okay, and I've loved you for the longest. I'm a really expressive person and I don't like to hide that part of myself. You're beautiful, okay, and I would want nothing more than to possess you, but not as a property, but as an equal. I'd like to show you the world. I'd like the world to see you.
If I say I do not have feelings for you, then I'll be lying to you and to myself. I feel something strong for you. You're a good man, a very caring one too, and every woman would be very happy to have you as hers. But there are some certain factors that are already fighting against us even before we started.
What factors?
Our religion, and then your sister.
Aisha, I've told you. My sister is not going to be a problem. Okay, and as for the religion, I actually don't mind. Okay? Actually, I don't care. I mean, we're humans even before the religious beliefs and all of that. Look, please. I just need you to walk this path with me.
But what if I do, but you don't? What if you leave me along the way?
No, I wouldn't do that. I can't do that to you. I'm never letting you go. Okay? I will never do that to you.
Are you sure?
I promise.
What is it?
He asked me out. And I said yes.
Are you happy?
Yeah, yes, I am extremely happy.
That's what that matters.
Thank you.
I'm happy for you.
In the silence of the night, tears are falling, hearts collide. Broken pieces start to mend. Love can heal, love won't end. I'm never letting go. Through the fire, through the storm, even when the shadows grow, I'll hold your hand, keep you warm, forever by your side. I know.
Good afternoon, Imim.
You don't have to call the name if you can't pronounce it correctly.
I'm sorry. Is your brother?
My brother is not home.
Okay. Please, I'd wait.
As what? I said he's not home. I want to wait. As what? Listen and listen carefully. You see this thing you're about to start with him? You better end it before it starts. We all know how it's going to end. Listen, in case you're ignorant, I'm going to fill you in. He will chop you, maybe twice or three, I don't know, and then he will dump you like the waste you are. So, don't think of it. We are Christians and you're Muslims. If you're thinking of paying back for the generosity he extended to your wretched family, you don't have to. Even if you sleep with him for 500 years, your body cannot even cover 50 million naira. Okay? Like I said, we are Christians and you're a Muslim. So go and look for one of those your Almajiri brothers and marry. Have a good day.
Aisha, why are you crying? What is it? It's okay.
It's okay. Aisha.
It's okay. I was so surprised. I knew something like this was going to come, though not so early. So we are from two separate worlds. We are Muslims and they are Christians. So she didn't say anything out of place. It's okay.
Action.
No, she didn't say anything out of place. It's okay.
Food is ready.
Wait, you said Aisha didn't come to the house?
Yes.
But she's supposed to come to the house.
Basi, let's go and eat before your food gets cold.
She's supposed to be here.
Where are you going to?
I reached out with trembling hands, hoping you would understand. But you turned and walked away, left me in the dark of day, too broken to love.
MM! How dare you? I'm talking to you. How dare you say those hurtful words to that girl? I'm asking you. Huh? I'm asking you. Who gave you the right over me?
You're hurting me.
I'm hurting you now, right? Eh? Now then listen to me. Listen and listen very carefully. Just the same way you stood here and said those things to her, that's the same way you're going to go to the house and apologize to her. Do you understand me?
I'm not doing that. I'm not apologizing.
You're not apologizing.
I'm not.
Now listen. If you do not apologize to her, I'm going to pull you by the hair and I'm going to take you right straight to that house and you're going to apologize right in front of me.
Not.
Move. How can you even say...
Are you... Basi! What's going on? Somebody help! Are you okay? Oh my God. Basi! Oh my God.
Easy. You know, I still think this is a bad idea, you know.
Yeah, and I know, doctor, but there's nothing else I can do, okay? You know how much I hate the hospital.
But I told you, okay, we could arrange a special ward for you. You don't know you're in a hospital.
Doctor, I do not want to be by the hospital, okay? I'll be fine.
Listen, okay.
Let him be, doctor. There's nothing you say or do that will make him change his mind. Thank God I'm a medicine student. I'll take care of him personally.
All right, that's okay. I'll come check on him twice every day, all right? You just make sure you rest a lot.
Thank you, doctor.
Yeah, I'm sure we'll get a donor soon. I have dropped messages across some of my friends. Once we get a match, they'll let me know. Yeah?
I'm sorry my kidney did not match. The doctor said you should be resting, Basi.
She's not answering my calls. She's not responding to my text messages, and this is all your fault. Why, what did I do to deserve all of this? I mean, what did I do to deserve all of this? Why do you have to ruin everything for me? Is it a crime to be your brother? Huh? I'm asking you, MM. Why do you deprive me of the happiness I deserve? Why do you find so much happiness in making me sad? Why? She never ignores my calls. She always responds to my text messages. Now I don't even know what to do. I don't don't know what to do.
I'll be downstairs if you need anything.
If anything happens to me, I hope you find the happiness that you so desire from seeing me sad.
In the silence of the night, tears are falling, hearts collide. Broken pieces start to mend. Love can't heal, love won't end. I'm never letting go. Through the fire, through the storm, even when the shadows grow, I'll hold your hand, keep you warm, forever by your side. I know I'm never letting go. May cut, but hope survives. Faith can bring the dark to light. Every scar has told our tale. Still together, love prevails. I'm never letting go. Through the fire, through the storm, even when the shadows grow, I'll hold your hand, keep you warm, forever by your side. I know I'm never letting go. When the world says we can't, we will rise, we'll take a stand. Your heart beats inside my own. I'll never walk this road alone. I'm never letting go. Through the fire, through the storm, even when the shadows grow, I'll hold your hand, keep you warm, forever by your side. I know I'm never letting go.
My parents loved me so much. Sometimes I wonder if Bassey was their biological child. I've always desired everything that he wanted, even if that was the last thing. But Bassey, you let me have it. You never hated me for it. All you will say is, you can have it. You're my baby sister. And then my parents died. My parents' death broke me so much. But Bassey was strong. He acted strong for me. He knew that he needed to be strong for me. That moment I saw my parents in him, he was my stronghold. I was so scared of the thought of another woman coming into his life. You know, I usually tries out every woman that comes to his life. And he was okay with it. He was very fine. Not until you came in. Basi did not just raise his voice at me, he raised his hands at me because of you. Yes, Aisha. He was so angry that he had to drag me here to apologize. And on his way, he fainted. Yes, we just came back from the hospital after tonight. Basi doesn't like hospital at all after the death of our parents. He had to force the doctor to take him to the house where I'm taking care of him currently. But he has refused to take anything or rest because of you, Aisha. All he does is thinking about you. He wants you. Aisha, please. I am so sorry. I know I've wronged you. And I'm so sorry. If not for me, for the sake of my brother, Basi, who obviously loves you so much, please. Forgive me. You are all he needs right now, please. What are you doing, Basi?
Where is she? Who's Aisha?
Sorry.
What have you done to her? Where is she?
I didn't do anything to her. She's outside talking to her sister.
Yeah, Aisha is outside.
Yes. Sorry. Go inside. Sorry. Basi, I'm sorry for everything. Okay.
Are you mad? Huh?
Sister, I am not mad. I am in love.
Shut your mouth. What stupid love are you talking about? Huh? What nonsense love would make you want to risk your life for a man?
A man? A man? Sister, this is Basi we are talking about.
So, what about him? She Alani? Huh? Listen, I don't have time for all this rubbish. So I'm going to be as clear as possible. We're leaving this house right now and never to return. Do you hear me? And let me not hear that nonsense from your mouth again. Kenji?
Sister, Basi is the one that gave you these eyes. You used to come here on your own.
So I should fold my hands and watch my only sister give her life in return?
I'm just giving out a kidney. I'm not giving him my heart.
So what difference does it make? Or haven't you heard that the donor is at a higher risk than the recipient?
Nothing is going to happen to me, inshallah.
Oh, yeah. And do you think I'm in any mood to take that chances? Listen to me, Aisha. You're not doing anything, and that's final. Mujhe?
No. No. It is not final. Zainab, this is my kidney. These are my kidneys, and I will do with them as I please. I am going to have them tested. If they're a match, even if they're not a match, I am giving out one of my kidneys, and that is final.
Aisha! Aisha!
You are up.
I woke up and I got worried when I noticed you weren't here.
Why?
I thought you left.
I'm never leaving you again. I'm never letting go.
Aisha! Aisha!
What is the problem, Zainab?
Go upstairs and bring my sister. Where's my sister?
What's the problem?
Where's my sister? Go upstairs and bring down my sister. Let me go home with her and there will be no problem.
Would you calm down and explain to me what the problem is? You're disturbing my brother.
Zain, you can't hear key. I will keep disturbing him if he does not let my sister go. Why would he force my sister to donate her kidney?
What?
Is it by force? Huh?
Nobody is forcing me to do anything, Zainab. I am doing it out of my own volition.
Then you must be very stupid. I'm not living here without you.
I am not going anywhere.
Fine. Then I shall remain here and continue to scream down my lungs until they send you out of this house.
I am not going.
Listen, Aisha, I don't want to come between the both of you, okay?
Listen, I am not going to allow you or anyone else treat me like a child. I am an adult and I have the right to my life and my choices. If Zainab cannot respect that, then she doesn't deserve to be called my sister.
What did you just say?
You heard me. I have done everything that you've asked from me up to this minute, Zainab. But this is Basi. This is the same Basi you were singing praises to his name, calling him a good man. This is the same Basi that paid for your eye surgery without flinching. This is the same Basi that fought his only sister because of me.
I see. So because he fought his only sister because of you, you want to give your life in return?
I am not giving away my life.
Enough! Enough.
Aisha, listen, I love you to the moon and back. Okay. And I don't see a future without you in it. But the truth is, I'm a man and I don't. This is how I want to build our relationship together.
Who is your sister? Okay. Wait, listen to me. Listen to me.
The doctor said they're going to find other kidneys. Okay, so I'm hopeful that we'll get there soon. Okay, but hey, but right now, you have to go with your sister.
Okay, listen.
No! Basi, Zainab, leave me! I don't.
Who is your sister?
Please.
Listen, she love me.
Go with your sister, please.
Zainab, stop! Basi, please. Please, no. Please.
You're not the first of your problems, anyways.
Are you satisfied now? Are you satisfied that you've ruined my happiness because of your selfishness?
Selfishness?
Yes. Whatever it is that you're doing it for yourself.
For myself? I'm doing it for myself? Aisha was only trying to save you.
From what? Save me from what, Zainab?
That surgery is very risky. Don't you understand me?
I don't care. I don't care. It's my life and I'll do with this as I please. You are not my mother. You don't have the right to tell me what to do.
I am not your mother.
Yes. You are not my mother.
Aisha, what did you just say to me? I am not your mother.
Why don't you just leave me and let me be with the man that I love?
Even if it was going to cost your life?
I don't have a life without Bassi. Why don't you realize that?
Aisha, you said I am not your mother. Did you just say that to me?
I am never letting you go. Not for anything, for anyone in this life.
The doctor said you've not been answering your calls. So he's on his way here. He said it's very important. Oh, that must be him. Let's go. Welcome, Doc.
Emma.
Yeah.
Doctor.
Yeah. Bassi, I've got good news.
Or do we have a donor?
Yes.
Oh, wow. Thank you, Jesus. How much is this person asking for?
Actually, nothing.
How is that possible?
Okay.
Zainab. Is she the donor?
Yes. So Zainab here came to the office earlier today and asked that I conduct a test on her, which I did. And it turns out her kidney is a perfect match.
Aisha, before our parents died, I promised them I was going to protect you with everything in me, to give you a good life. I was only scared something bad might happen to you. I am sorry for all the things I said to you.
I should be the one saying sorry. Please forgive me for all the things I said to you.
Yes, because you said I am not your mom.
No, of course you're my mother. You're my one and only mother. You're my father. You're my everything. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Thank you. Thank you.
And Bassi, I was so insensitive and selfish that I forgot how you've been to my sister and I. I am really sorry. Please forgive me.
Hey, it's fine, okay? You don't have to do all of this to pay me back.
No, I am only doing it because that's the right thing to do.
Well, guys, so I have scheduled for the surgery and it's gonna take place in the next 2 days. Bossy, we're not doing that at all.
Alright, doctor, I get the memo. I'm sure I can endure a few days at the hospital.
Congratulations, Rod. Thank you. Happy for you, bro. Congratulations. Thank you.
In the silence of the night, tears are falling, hearts collide. Broken pieces start to mend. Love can heal, love can end. I'm never letting
There's no place like home.
For the first time, I agree with you.
through the fire, through the storm. Even when the shadows grow, I'll hold your hand, keep you warm, forever by your side.
I miss my house too.
I know you miss your house, but you're never going back there again. Okay, maybe to just get some valuables.
He made it clear that we're going to start staying here with them. And if we're not comfortable, he'll get us our place, but definitely not that place.
Do I have a choice?
Not really. I don't think so.
Seconded.
I think I need to help you get some rest. Let's go, say.
Will you marry me?
What? Is that how you propose to a fine lady like me? That you want to get married to?
I thought we were both past the glitz and glamour.
Well, I'm an African lady, so I need all the glitz and glamour possible. You just get very well, then you plan a perfect proposal for the pretty lady you want to spend the rest of your life with. But be warned, because I am a handful.
I mean, after all the things you did to your sister, I guess I've gotten the memo. I love you.
I love you too. And I am never letting go.
I'm never letting go. Ooh. Wounds may cut, but hope survives. Faith can bring the dark to light. Every scar has told our tale. Still together, love prevails. I'm never letting go. Through the fire, through the storm.